Welcome to Rizal Talk, and we are now on the second episode entitled Social Inequality and Injustice. In El Filibusterismo, we meet a group of young students in Manila, Isagani, Basilio, and their friends, who dream of one thing: education and fairness. They fight for the right to open a Spanish academy where Filipinos can learn freely and equally. But their dream is crushed by those in power, who fear that education will awaken the people. Dr. Jose Rizal believed that education was the key to freedom. Through knowledge, people could understand their rights and challenge the injustices around them. But in a society built on inequality, even something as simple as learning became a privilege, not a right. Today, the same struggle still exists. Many Filipino students face barriers to education. Some walk long distances to school, others stop studying to help their families, and many cannot afford tuition or gadgets for online learning. Poverty and lack of support continue to divide those who can learn and those who cannot. Just like Rizal's reformist characters, today's youth continue to raise their voices. They speak out against discrimination, inequality, and injustice, whether online, in classrooms, or in communities. The fight for fairness didn't end in El Filibusterismo. It lives on in every young person who believes that everyone deserves a chance to learn and to dream. Education is not just a privilege, it is a right. And when we fight for equal education, we continue Rizal's legacy, and let us be the generation that breaks the cycle of inequality and builds a future where no one is left behind.